And if I did lie, who gonna check me? But what did I lie about? Oh, I was about to say, girl, what? Put it in the box. Oh, she's singing the song that she wrote. I ain't gonna hold you. This Pond Glow been carrying. We done needed every bit of it. Only thing available is Laugh Fab if y'all want to add some more liquid. I just knew that liquid was going to carry, and then that baking soda got in here and said, hold up, wait a minute. It's a chopper. Hold up, wait a minute. It's a 22. Next order, the booth. I need y'all to relax. Okay, y'all want a little sauce on y'all burrito? Y'all, when I tell y'all this smell like heaven, I feel like I got a little closer to God tonight. Baby, this thing is fire. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Who said laundry couldn't be tea? I am sat, baby. I mean, I know I'm squeezing, but even if I wasn't squeezing, I would be sat on the other side of the phone. Teach, I gotta get some less oil back in stock, baby. I know you tired of going to people's house and they don't got no Lesty. I'm gonna get it together for you, boo. Lesty would have been good in here. It would have messed up the smell, but it would have made the consistency so fire. Just need more dish soap. We getting there. Teach, we did y'all recycled powder earlier. I don't know if you was here, but recycled powder is banned in my live. We are no longer accepting recycled powder applications because the way I almost died in that tote today. No ma'am, no ham, no jam, no turkey. Ain't happening. I'm really enjoying myself. Good, Miss Michelle. You know it's always a vibe over here. Ashley, we leaving the recycled powder to you. It about choked out my garbage disposal. It was just a disaster. I'll pass. It's not for me. I think I'm traumatized with recycled powder from the 3K anyway. It's definitely always a vibe over here because it's messy. Y'all ain't even being messy tonight, are y'all? If y'all are, I don't know nothing about it. If y'all being messy, I sat this one out. Baby, I have no idea what's going on. Anybody want to send for a laugh fab to go in? She done got Thickiana. No, today is a vibe. Okay, period. Good. We do get a little messy. We get our hands dirty sometimes. We ain't innocent. But we don't give a damn. We little lambs and we don't give a damn. Okay? We gonna say it with our chest every time. And we mean the chat. Cause honey, me and Ness was on the phone. I said, Ness, I'm gonna have to start being demure on live because the chat's starting to get unhinged. We can't help it. We can't help it. But them other days, I be stressed. Girl, you don't be stressed. You be right in the midst of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Dab. When I say I love y'all, I mean that shit. And then y'all be going behind my back, dog walking me. That is crazy work. I need to reevaluate my life. Whoa. Wait, what happened? Oh my God. Oh yeah, go back to the mirror. Y'all was being the mirror. Go back to the mirror. Let me shut up. Go back to the mirror. We was being the mirror. We going back to the mirror. I'll take it back. I'ma hush. Go back to Monty. I'm gonna go back to minding my squeezes and y'all go back to whatever y'all was talking about. Let me shut up. This is so good, y'all. And I don't even like just laundry overloads, but this served. Okay, y'all can see both sinks. Perfect.